Okay, here's the secret to investing success. You want companies which fall the least in down markets and rebound the most in rising markets. Now, don't say to me, no, you want companies which just always rise and do nothing else. They don't exist. Everyone's a genius, of course, in rising markets. It's not how much you make, it's how much you get to keep when the markets fall. Companies which fit the above criteria are approximately 10%. They're strong on profit growth, dividends, cash flow, consistent sales growth, fair valuation outperformance. It's not to say you can't pick a company outside of that which does suddenly rise, but you're more likely to pick one which is going to fail. You're taking too much risk, you're speculating, you're gambling if you're looking for those which don't fit this criteria and yet still rise. What will tend to happen if you don't fit this criteria is, yes, in rising markets we all look like a genius, but in falling ones you lose all your money if you don't follow this rule.